Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel GoDaddy subscription in 2023. Whether you no longer need to the services of GoDaddy or switching like the provider of the domain name or any other reason that you may have. Canceling your subscription can be a straightforward process if you follow the steps or step-by-step guide, this step-by-step guide of this tutorial. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go and log in into our GoDaddy account. To do so, we'll have to go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open your browser, you can simply go to the URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to the home screen or main screen of the GoDaddy accounts. And if you have already an account, make sure to go and log in into it. And as you can see, for me, I'm already logged in into your account, as you can see here at the top right corner, because I already logged in before even I quit. So if you already logged in, you will not have to even log in into your account again. You'll not have to do anything. But if you don't, you'll simply have to log in into your account. You can do that by a Google account, or I guess there is some other options if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of of logging in into your account. And now we will have to go and access the billing and payment. So once you logged into your account, click on your account here at the top right corner and make sure to go and click on this renewal and billing, or for you billing or payment section, depending on whatever you want. As you can see from here, you'll find all the payments that you have made already. And as you can see, I have here like GoDaddy Pro membership for 1 year. And this like websites or domain name. I have here websites and free marketing, and here websites and free marketing. Of course, as you can see, if we go and click on cancel renewal, as you can see, or let's just go to filters, as you can see, make sure to go and let's clear the filter at the moment. And of course, you can even go to domains only or whatever you have or whatever you want to cancel. Cancel renewal without any problems. And as you can see, it cancels all of them. As you can see, now I have everything is canceled. So for you, you'll simply have to find the subscription that you want to cancel from the list, and it might be a hosting plan, domain registration, or any other services. And then you can simply go and click on cancel subscription, select it, of course, select whatever you want to cancel. And as you can see, you'll find an option here to cancel a renewal. You can even, as an example, update payments if you want to, auto the renew on, or even add to cards, as an example, if you want to pay it again or something like that. Once you initiate the cancellation, as you can see, they will ask you if you want to cancel it. So make sure to choose the cancellation option and you will be good to go. You can even, as an example, verify the cancellation details from here, the billing dates. As you can see, all of those are cancels, so you don't have to worry about anything at the moment. And of course, if your subscription was prepaid and you selected or you canceled before the end of the billing period, you can check any potential refunds or prorated amount that GoDaddy might owe you. And of course, you can remove any automatic renewal. As you can see, if you have any automatical renew, you can remove it if you want to. And this step is important to prevent like accidental charges, and you will be after that good to go. But of course, on GoDaddy, you will be able to do a lot of other stuff. So if you click here on GoDaddy, as example, the home screen or main screen, you will go to the home screen and main screen. Here, you'll be able to get some domains with just $1 or even less. And you will be able to manage DNS of your domain name, the website's marketing, any additional products. As you can see, you can advertise on TikTok. As you can see, unlock just $100 advertising credits on TikTok. Ready to level up your business on phone system, drive sales with constant contact email tools. So you'll be able to do a lot of other stuff on GoDaddy. In my opinion, I guess GoDaddy is the best payments provider, or sorry, domain provider, and a lot of other services. They are the best on that. So as you can see, you can even collaborate with from anywhere with Zoom, so phone, video, meeting, and chats all in one app. You can get Zoom for your business today. You can use as an example Yelp for businesses. Your business unlock $300 and Yelp credits. You can get started today and reach more to the right customers of your business. And of course, the details will go to your email address. And we have here this ZB form your LLC for $0 and launch your business with Zen Business. As you can see, you can form your LLS only from $0 plus, of course, the state fees and launch your business with ease. And of course, the details will always go to your email. So as we said, basically you'll be able to do everything here. You'll be able to add some shops. You'll be able to design your websites if you or if you have like a domain name, as example, you can set up a free website. You can have your marketing free trials, example, and see if it's working correctly, if everything is good. If it is, then you can pay for it. And of course, you can always go and cancel your payment or your subscription whenever you want, as I showed you from the beginning of the video. And make sure to verify every cancellation and remove any automatic renewal, as we said before, because to avoid any like feature charges, you'll have to do that. And make sure, of course, to log in into your GoDaddy again after like a few days to verify that that subscription has been successfully canceled and no longer activated, because some problems always may occur to you and you may see some problems. Example, always as example, if you cancel, the websites may not refresh correctly or something like that. So make sure to always go to your account, log in into it, and go to renewal and billing, and make sure that you have everything cancels again here. And as you can see, what I still of course have running is just those two first options. You will find like cancel with the red. That means the service is still working, but it will get canceled at this exact same day. Of course, if you didn't cancel, you will always be charged at your card unless you have, if you have it off or something like that. So that's gonna be, I guess, basically it. Of course, if you have any issues, always you can always leave like your issue in the comments down below section. If I can help you, I would. But of course, you can even, or before even, go and contact the GoDaddy supports. They will help you even better than me, and they will even respond faster than me, and they will have even knowledge or provide knowledge better than me, because you will have your service with GoDaddy. So let's just summarize what we did here. So we'll basically have to go to your account at the top right corner. Once you log into your account, go to renewal and billing, and from here, of course, you can even use some filters if you want to. If you have like a lot of services and you want just to cancel some, as an example, if you click on filters, you can choose filters expire in, domain name search, payments methods, domain only, as you can see, or products here, depending on whatever you want. Then you can select more than one, as an example, or even everything. If you click on this description selects, you'll be able to select everything. Then make sure to cancel the renewal. And even if you don't want to cancel the renewal, you can simply just cancel the auto renew, and you can add it to card payments or update your payments, and you will be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully canceled your GoDaddy subscription in 2023, and this can be straightforward process as you saw if you follow these steps. So remember to access your account, find the subscription you want to cancel, provide a cancellation reason if they ask you to. Normally they don't ask here in GoDaddy, and make sure to confirm your decision. Check for any funds or pro-rated amount. Always double check that automatic renewal for the canceled subscription are turned off. To prevent any future charges, by taking these steps, you can effectively cancel your GoDaddy subscription and manage your online business according to your needs. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.